There's a ton of fantastic chefs and cooks out there on YouTube, and I'm certainly not one of them. I've just compiled the best, most simple choices even dropkicks like me can create, so you guys should be all good. All original content creators I used for the recipes will be linked below, along with the full instructions so you guys can make them yourselves. So these recipes are not only incredible for those trying to build or maintain muscle, but for literally anyone, especially those trying to lose weight. As protein is the most satiating macro at 4 calories per gram, this is going to keep you fuller for longer and taste delicious at the same time. So without further ado, let's get into the recipes. Alrighty fellas, so first up we've got protein oats. Since I discovered these, I've been having them nearly every single day for breakfast. Insanely tasty, awesome macros, you could add more or less if you want. And any toppings or fruits or anything like that you choose, just chuck them on, they'll taste absolutely incredible. Banana, peanut butter if you're bulking, and if you're cutting, chuck on some raspberries, blueberries, whatever you want. Easy clap, tastes amazing. Next up we've got some frosting. You could use this on absolutely anything, dip anything into it, tastes incredible. We'll see it on a few recipes after this, and the macros are just absolutely insane, so definitely try this out. Alright, you know what time it is, it's French toast time. If you watch any fitness YouTubers, they've pretty much all tried this at some point because it's so easy, so tasty, and it tastes as good as it looks. And just look at that end shot. Oh boy, it's so good. So definitely try this out. If you're going to try one recipe, this is the one. Chuck any toppings you want on it, it'll still taste amazing. Try it 100 times, put 100 different things on it, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite is. And side note, make sure you don't put the heat up too high. If you burn egg whites, they'll taste like arse. So other than that, enjoy. So next up we've got the Souffle. This is absolutely incredible if you're cutting, you're low on calories. It's super sweet, super macro friendly, pretty much protein, and it's really easy to make. So definitely give this a try, it's so good. Yep, it's McDonald's time, so everyone loves McDonald's, no matter how fake and horrible the food is there. There's just something about it. This is just a healthier, tastier version, so give us a go. If you don't have an air fryer like I'm using, chuck it in the oven, that's totally fine, or you can put it on the pan, whatever suits you. Alright, it's cookie time, so if you've ever struggled to find a snack that's macro friendly, these are going to be your best friends. Put them in the fridge, make a ton of them, put the frosting on them definitely if you make these, it tastes so much better, and it also helps with the macros, so it's just a win-win. Alrighty guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, you're an absolute legend. Please leave a comment, let me know which one you're going to try out first, which one looks the best to you, and a big shout out to Flexible Dieting Lifestyle for his recipes. That's where I got the cookies and the frosting from, and also Greg Doucette for the French toast. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. What the